3230 Vertical Metallographic Microscope. EOC system adopts the Infinity Optical Metallographic Microscope optical system. It can provide excellent optical performance. Magnification of 50 times to 3000 times. The product is accord with human body engineering. Easy to operate, image is clear. It can be arbitrary collocation interface characteristics of industrial camera. It is an ideal instrument for the metallography, mineralogy, precision engineering, electronics, and other industrial applications. EOC Company has 15-year experience of committing to intelligent optical solutions and offering professional service to customers.